Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Google Chrome slow downloading problem. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome. You just need to click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side you just need to select system. Scroll down, select system. And in here you just need to make sure continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Turn it off and use hardware acceleration when available. Turn it off. After doing this, select relaunch. After that, on left side you just need to select privacy and security. Select clear browsing data, click on it. Select advanced tab and you just need to select the time range to all time, and you just need to uncheck password and other sign in data and autofill from data. Uncheck both of it, and other things you just need to check mark it and select clear data. After doing this, you just need to scroll down and select security. In here you just need to scroll down. Under the advanced, select DNS provider. You just need to click on this drop down and select Cloudflare DNS. And after selecting this, you just need to go to search menu over here and type Chrome colon /flags flags. Press enter. In search flags you just need to search for parallel. Comes up parallel downloading. Enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. Click on this drop down and select enabled. After doing this, it will be required to relaunch the Chrome. You just need to go ahead and relaunch it. And after doing this, click on this three dot icon and select extension. Select manage extension. And if you have any kind of malicious extension, then you need to remove it guys. I would also recommend that if you have any extension like McAfee Web Booster, then kindly go ahead and remove it guys. Select remove and remove it. Additionally, I would also recommend that you have downloaded any kind of extension like ad blocker extension, then disable it guys until the download finish. And after doing this, you just need to click on this three dot icon over here and scroll down, select help and select about Google Chrome. This will check for updates, and if any updates available, it will automatically update it guys. After updating Google Chrome, you just need to select relaunch. Now check the download speed. If you see no changes, then on left side you just need to scroll down and select reset settings and select restore settings to their original defaults. Select it and select reset settings. And after doing this, you can able to see the download speed difference. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.